Good morning guys! Ay, good afternoon na pala. Matagal na ako hindi naka-update kasi madaming ganap. We just finished church. We attended the Basilica of the Immaculate Lady. I think that's the name of the church. This is the church that we attended. We attended the 11 a.m. Mass. And we just finished. And now we're heading over to a cherry blossom restaurant for Father's Day. Here's my father, so handsome.
Hello guys.
And mommy, so pretty. Boink.
Or you can eat.
Ano yung last vlog dito? Okay. Wala pre-pay mo lang. Hindi ko rin alam yung mga sulat ko lang.
Sige, Ate Jay lang. Okay, we just finished having lunch at Cherry Blossom Sushi Bar. So yummy.
Ano yung vlog ba yung vloggeries?
Wala, nagbibideo lang.
Maybe next time, maybe, okay?
Hi guys. Go! Ikaw na!
Silent na vlogger si mami mo.
Anong lugar to?
Toronto Premium Outlets.
Toronto na ba ito?
Yeah.
Ito, premium outlet.
Say something. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hello, good morning guys.
Morning.
Right now it's 2:41 a.m. That's it, mommy. We're on our way to Montreal today. It's gonna be about a 6-hour, 36-minute drive from Guelph to Montreal. So we have a long road ahead of us. But we're all together. We have one more car in the front. The Chrysler. That is Kuya Jad, Ate Che, Cassie, Gael, Jaja, and the nurse. So we're all going together. Yes, ma.
Oh, Port of Old Montreal daw.
Port of Old Montreal. Sige, lalagay ko yan. We'll update you guys when we're somewhere. It's just really dark right now.
Baka matraffic pa uwi lang ng Kabinti.
Diyan sa sa Commonwealth, tanghali na. Traffic na rin.
Yun, nagsusuka.
Oo.
Nagsusuka yung sa
Saan?
Hey guys, halfway mark update. We have 307 kilometers left to go in our road trip to Montreal. So far, we've stopped at Tim Hortons. I'll show you my coffee here to get coffee, and then we've also already stopped at one rest stop to go to the restroom. Here's our friends in the back, our family. They are sleeping.
Sleeping.
And Papa's still going strong.
So guys.
I think we're gonna head over to another rest stop because our Cassie girl, papadedehin na daw. We're just waiting for the next one. Oh, let me show you my my navigation system. There you go. Says we have about 3.5 hours left. 305 kilometers. Estimated arrival there is 9:39 a.m. There you go. Still got a way to go. A ways to go. But magaling naman yung driver natin. Hindi matutulog yan.
Hindi ko naman yung mga billboard na gano'n may mga sulat.
Guys, okay, kahit wala dito si Kuya, meron naman siyang truck dun, no?
Hindi.
Kuya, kunin mo na yung kotse mo, yung truck mo. Alis na tayo. Oh, haba, oh.
Pwede, layo na.
Haba na ang truck mo, sis, oh.
Baka may iwan dito sa kotse.
Chester.
Lalagay nila ano kung ano paglalagay.
Okay guys, update. Nandito kami on our
Sa
second
inyo iba, ito karton talaga yun.
on our second
Carbon talaga yun. Sa inyo,
rest stop. Nagpadede lang si Cassie kaya kami tumigil. Tapos syempre nag-resting na din.
State of Hawaii,
Hindi na ako pumasok dun sa loob.
Rin nyo pag
But it was the same as the last one. Here's Kuya Jed and Ate Chay's car. Ayan sila. Okay, ready to go again. Guys, this bird wants to follow us. He's on our sunroof. Where he went?
Binigyan mo yung isa, magkukwento sa kabila. Saka mga nakasama niya.
Pag pinakain yan, lalapit lahat.
Andito na kami sa Doubletree, naka-check-in na kami. Pinagbigyan kami na mag-early check-in dahil kay Cassie. Thank you, Cassie. Supposed to be 3 p.m. check-in pa. But right now is 11 a.m. Si Lawrence.
Hi! Salamat talaga. Salamat Lord sa pagsama mo sa amin. Thank
Naging
you, Lord.
maayos yung biyahe namin.
Naging
Thank you,
maayos
Lord.
kahit akala namin malakas ang ulan. Pero naging maayos naman sa gabay ng Lord. Salamat po.
Thank
At
you.
maganda ang aming lugar. Ako napakaganda po.
Kita dyan
Thank
yung
you Lord sa
parkingan.
privilege, sa blessing. Maging masarap pong cookies.
Hello guys. Dito kami sa ano ba lugar to?
Montreal.
Pala dyan dito.
Papunta kami sa... Saan ba tayo papunta? Old Port? Old Port. Ay, tulog na pala ang Mother Earth ko dito.
Natatakpan
Hey,
kasi.
Gael, say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi!
Lalaganta ka ng bahay ko ba?
Okay. You can vlog now.
You can vlog.
Hello,
Hey guys, what's good?
What's up?
We are
What's up?
You can invite them to go swimming later.
Yeah, let's go swimming.
Yeah.
Nighttime.
If it's nighttime.
I can have a party time.
Awesome.
party time.
Yeah.
Wow.
Guys, pinapakita ni Papa yung
No, not
street dito sa Montreal. Sabi niya, slightly different than Guelph. Less greenery here, yeah. It's more city. Sa Guelph, puro green.
Iba yung sulat ha.
Yeah. Tapos dito, puro French na. ang ano.
I want to speak in French.
Yeah. Do you speak French, girl?
Yeah.
say oui.
Louis.
Say bonjour.
Dito na kami sa vlog. Magsalita ka siya. Ito na yung Montreal.
Ikaw na, Ama. Guma. Jang eh.
Sa picture ng Montreal, yung
may kalesa
nandun
rin.
sa... Yung nandun sa... Yung palagay sa...
Yun na.
Dito po si Cheche. Bibili ng ice cream.
Hello. We're here at the Creamery St. Paul Ice Cream Shop. Bakit na madama?
Boy, dito tayo para masiguran tayo sa ice cream.
Buy ice cream. Ice planetarium. Manonood ng mga planets.
Galaxy.
Hey guys. Nandito kami sa planetarium. Manonood kami ng movie siguro. Pero dome-shaped tong theater. Siguro madaming planets dito sa taas. Ayan, si Mami, si Papa. Tapos si Nakasi nandun sa front row. Ligita. Basta nandun siya. So, bye-bye na dyan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Ginawang baby.
The first part is Celestial Chronicle. So together we are going to look at the sky, the stars that we could see above us tonight from Montreal, without clouds and without the light pollution from the city. What could we observe tonight?
Dito kami sa pool. Hello. Ito po yung pool ng hotel namin sa Montreal. Hilton, Doubletree by Hilton Hotel. And they're in the swimming pool. Whoa! Racing sila. Ayan na. Sino kayang mananalo? Ay, talo Jaja. Go Jaja. Lusot. Go, kaya mo yan. Talo ka eh.